What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another daily Bitcoin trend analysis and price analysis. I do this every single day, so if that's something you're into, subscribe, comment, and like down below. Subscribe, like, and comment down below because I do this every single day. So if you guys are into crypto, then you got a video every single day. You got two videos actually every single day because I post two videos every single day. I do Bitcoin analysis every day, every morning. It's 6 a.m. right now, just so you guys get the analysis as soon as possible. And I also do another crypto video. Random crypto might be on a different project, might be on daily news of crypto, might be anything that could happen. But there is another video out. So if you guys are into that sort of stuff and you guys are enjoying crypto and you want to learn more, then hit the subscribe button because I'll do very good daily uploads ×2. So you guys should be enjoying that and it'll give you guys something to do. And obviously you're watching content that you guys enjoy. But nevertheless, let's get straight into it. So of course on the weekly, I always show you guys this. You can see Head and Shoulders, which is a reversal pattern. If you guys are new to trading, follow because I will go through everything for you and show you guys how to get the grips of trading, how to look for a trade, how to enter a trade, and I even show you the trades that I take. So if you guys want to just copy the trades I take, you are able to do that, even though I'm not a financial advisor. But I'm just showing you guys the way I do it. So if we go into the daily to get a closer look at things, you can see we broke out of this falling wedge, yeah, and then we literally broke out this with so much volume that it was incredible. Because that engulfing candle over there, well, let me zoom into it for you guys. This engulfing candle here at the bottom was literally insane. So as you can see, it did a double bottom at the bottom of the channel. So it tested the bottom of the channel, double bottom formed, and they absolutely rocketed. A double bottom is a reversal pattern. I showed you guys that in my, I think it was the second video. Well, the first video I did on Bitcoin actually, I predicted this to happen, and it obviously did happen. I did a big trade on that. I think I made £300 to £400 overnight. So I did show you guys that. That was a live trade, but I'm not sure if some of you caught it. No one replied, but you might have caught it because a lot of people viewed that one. So it broke out of that, and it was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It took out 5 candles prior, so that's why it had so much momentum moving upwards. We've also just seen a cross of the 25 and the 50 daily EMA. That's very strong. That is very bullish for us. It is extremely bullish for us. However, I'm looking for it to come down and test. So I'm looking for the candle to come down and test the EMA. That won't mean that it's going to go bearish and come all the way down. I just want it to test so we find some support and then we go higher. Because if we keep going higher like this, there's not much support. So if we come crashing down, we'll come crashing down too hard. So there's not much support going on at the moment. So I would like us to currently come down and test the EMA, which I think was hanging about 35k. So if we test that, then we can actually show ourselves that we're getting a decent amount of support going on for us to be able to actually progress forwards. So this was the trade I said to look out for yesterday. As you can see, it hasn't been in play at the moment. I've showed you guys this little candle before. I told you guys it was called the spinner. It is referred to as a doji for you traders out there. It's a doji here because it's just like it's indecisive, it's just in the middle. However, it does show me price change, like a change in price. Like you can see what happened here and it moved up. Different places, you know what I mean? You see it happened here and then it went up and moved down. You see it happened here and I'm looking for it to move down. However, like I said, this is a very high amount of support for us and resistance, because this is where the double top was originally supposed to form, and it still will be in play. Like if we hit here and hit here, that will be a double top confirmed as well. We just need an engulfing candle to form and crash us down, and obviously we would have to adjust this to be able to be up here now. So it'll be we can probably aim for 2.5 to be extra safe, because obviously we don't want to aim below the EMA because that will be a support, so we might likely bounce off that. So if we go to an hourly, you can see that we are currently breaking that support. We are testing it all the time. We're bouncing on it, bouncing below it, bouncing on it, bouncing below it. We're very indecisive, and that's because of these EMAs, these hourly EMAs. So as we've broken the 25 EMA, I'd like to see a close of the 50 EMA, an engulfing candle here, a retest of this resistance, and then I will enter the trade. So we can change this trade to up here, okay, about here. We'll see it break through, close about here, it'll test back up, maybe up here, high test. When that candle closes below, then we'll enter the trade, and it'll be very, very tight trade. So So we'll put it stop loss really tight over there, because we want to protect ourselves straight away. If it reverses, we don't want to be in that trade whatsoever. We don't want to hold for that trade whatsoever. We want to get out of that trade straight away. And we can even aim for 3 point. We aim for 3 to be extra safe. So it should be able to hit that 3 with no issues, because the nearest support is down here where the other EMA is for the 4 hourly, and that's the strongest one that we want to look out for. It's the 4 hourly, then the daily, then the weekly, obviously. So I'm very confident with this. Like I said to you guys, there were 2 scenarios that could have played out. We could have continued to trend in this upward channel, which is a reversal pattern, which will show it to come crashing downwards really hard, or we would have broken out straight away. Thankfully, it shows that the double top is still currently in play, which will make us a nice trade. We could also push down for the current daily as well, like I said, over here, and that will provide a lot more support. So here's at the 36k, not 35k, my apologies. That will show a lot more support. We could maybe form like an inverted head and shoulders or something there, and then we could blast off. Like I said, I know it doesn't sound the best for you massive bulls on Bitcoin. However, this is how the market moves, you know what I mean? Unless we suddenly get an adoption by Amazon to start taking Bitcoin, then we're going to see this consolidation form and the market move in a natural way. I haven't heard any news, that's why I haven't shown you guys any news that's formed on here, which shows that there hasn't been any mass news overnight. I will also do news checking overnight. That's why I'm doing this at 6 AM, so that you guys get a benefit. If you guys are waking up to go to work and watching this, then you guys are able to see, oh, there's news here, let me just check my portfolio, something like that. Do you know what I mean? I've always got you guys back. But as of right now, I want to see where this moves. I do personally think it could be pretty bearish and crash down here, and we might see an instant move back up. Well, I'm not too sure. We need to see how the market shows us. Right now it's very indecisive, because this resistance, we're just in the middle of it. It's not acting as resistance or support, it's in the middle, it's indecisive. If we break higher, we can start changing this out to try and reach up here, which will be very likely if we break higher, because that's where the next resistance is. However, if we move lower, this trade will be very good for us. It'll be very valid for us to hold this trade and make a good 2 to a few £1,000 or dollars, whatever you guys are trading, or euros, you know what I mean. But yeah, what do you guys think about Bitcoin right now? Do you guys think it's gonna be parabolic and blast off? We're gonna get back into the 50-60k range. I think if we hit above this 41,600 range, we will easily be able to get into that 42 to 50k range. We just need to break this resistance. It is a very strong resistance, like I showed you guys. So we just need to wait and see. You have to be very patient with this, like I said, because of this massive head and shoulders that's formed. We need to be very patient. We don't want to take any too risky trades. That's why I'm being very conservative, because if we put a trade to go long and just hold it to get to 52k, we can make a lot of money. However, if this head and shoulders plays out, we'll be crashing down a lot and losing all that money within the space of a few hours, because panic will set in, panic, news will come in, Bitcoin bubble bursting, all the newbies will start selling. You have to be very careful when you're dealing with a cryptocurrency which is this volatile and is this well known around the entire world. Like, nobody thought Bitcoin would ever get to this stage, but look at it. So that's why I'm saying we need to be very conservative with our price predictions and our efforts and our trades. But yes, this is why I think on the short term it will be coming down or up. We just need to wait. It has been a bit of a slow moving video because not much price action has occurred overnight. However, it is very beneficial for us to know that we have broken out of this wedge, because we can actually start seeing if we might push up. I personally think we might push up to test here and then come down, but we'll see. Like I say, we have to see how this plays out. So you guys check the channel yourself if you can for the next few hours and see what happens. And otherwise, I'll be doing an update tomorrow morning and seeing how this trade has gone, because I set these automatically, you see, so if it hits a certain price, it will go automatically, but I check it all the time myself. Just for me to make a video like on the spot as I'm entering a trade, it'll take a few hours to actually get that trade out, and by the time the trade will have already accomplished and made me money, or not have made me money, but most of the time made me money, because I only enter a trade when I have a lot of ticks, like on my tick list checked. So like this trend line break, market structure break, another support broken, engulfing candle, and then EMA's crossed, EMA's broken, and so you know what I mean? So a lot of things which help me determine the way that the market is going to move. So like that's what I was saying, if you guys want to learn all this stuff, I'll do tutorials on candles and market structures for you guys. Subscribe, like, and comment down below if you guys would like to see that, and your personal opinions on Bitcoin. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Like I said, these are daily videos, daily updates. So if you guys are into that sort of stuff and like seeing these kind of videos, I'm a young lad, so I'll be doing this every single day for like a long time in my life. So you guys stay tuned, stick with me, and I'll appreciate that a lot. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video tomorrow.